every drop counts, where precision and reliability are non-negotiable. One South African company has spent 4 decades mastering the flow of progress. This is the story of Astore Keymak and Plastiweld, a 40-year journey of innovation, quality, and purpose.
Happy 40 years!
Since 1985, we've been more than just suppliers. We've been solution makers, manufacturing high-quality, flexible PVC hoses and distributing world-class thermoplastic fittings across Southern Africa and beyond. From our factory in Johannesburg, we produce mining hose, rock drill hose, anti-static hose, fire reel hose, dragline hose, garden hose, and more. Tailor-made to meet your unique needs. Every hose meets SANS 1086 or British 2050 standards and is rigorously tested in our state-of-the-art lab, ensuring consistent excellence. Because quality isn't just a standard, it's our promise. At our Germiston headquarters, over 15,000 product lines are housed under one roof. Our in-house couriers and national fleet ensure timely deliveries to all branches and beyond to the SADC region. As proud distributors of global leaders like Agru from Austria, EasyWeld from the USA, Unidelta and FIP from Italy, our network includes trusted names: Durapipe, Astore, and FIP from Aliaxis, Iritech, Record Plast, and T2 Welding, to name a few. We deliver everything from electrofusion fittings to specialty valves, compression fittings, semi-finished products, and more. Trusted across mining, infrastructure, industrial, and agricultural markets. Under the Plastiweld banner, we bring you precision plastic welding, powered by world leaders like Leicester, Ritmo, and Buckley's. From high-density polyethylene to polypropylene, we offer locally produced welding rod and tools that guarantee accuracy and durability. At the heart of it all is water. Preserving this precious resource is our mission, and every product we create helps you irrigate responsibly.
Our mission at Astore Keymak and Plastiweld is delivering on one of our most precious resources, driven by quality, delivered by experience. Our vision is helping you and the community save every drop of water for a sustainable environment.
We're united in our purpose to deliver quality, driven by 40 years of experience and service excellence. This is Astore Keymak. This is Plastiweld. This is 40 years of trust, growth, and quality, flowing into the future. Astore Keymak, driven by quality, delivered by experience.